Right, let's talk about Nigeria's new tax reform. Now, I know tax talk isn't exactly what most people want to hear after a long day, but trust me, this one's worth your attention. Here's the thing, tax reform in Nigeria has been long overdue. For years, the system's been creaking under its own weight. Unfair, outdated, and let's be honest, a bit chaotic. Everyone agrees it needs to be modernized and streamlined so the country can actually get things done. But, and it's a big but, the way this new reform is shaping up, well, it's not looking too rosy for most Nigerians. Instead of making things simpler, these new changes have piled on even more taxes. Yes, you heard me. More. Multiple new taxes, in fact. The intention might be to boost government revenue, but let's be real, it's the average person who ends up shouldering the burden. If you're running a small business, your margins are already wafer thin. More taxes? That's just going to squeeze you even harder. Now let's talk corporate tax. Around the world, you'll see corporate taxes set at reasonable rates. 15, 25, maybe 30%. Clear numbers, so businesses know exactly where they stand. In Nigeria's new reform though, things are, well, let's just say they're not crystal clear. There's a lot of confusion about what rates actually apply, who has to pay what, and how all these new levies fit together. The result? Businesses are left scratching their heads, worried about getting caught out for something they didn't even know about. And for ordinary Nigerians, these reforms risk digging people even deeper into poverty. When businesses are squeezed, they have to make cuts, maybe reducing staff, maybe raising prices, or maybe shutting down altogether. That ripple effect hits everyone, from traders in the market to young graduates looking for their first job. It's not all doom and gloom though. There's still a chance for the government to listen, to consult with ordinary people, and to iron out the confusion before these changes hit hard. A good tax reform should be clear, fair, and help the country grow, not just pad the state's coffers at the expense of its citizens. So, what can you do? Stay informed, ask questions, talk to your representatives, and don't be afraid to challenge what doesn't seem right, because in the end, tax isn't just about numbers. It's about real people, real lives, and the kind of future we want to build together. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share your thoughts.
Anyway, say, this is how much you earn this year. No be you go talk with your mouth, oh. You earn 10 million, you earned 5 million. You go say, no, I no earn 5 million. Everything dey here. So make you relax. Oh. This one concern you. Make we start. It is called NTA 2025, Nigeria Tax Act 2025. Okay? Now I am showing you the reference. No say yesterday, I'm not showing any reference because I call my guy, help me with the info. He can apologize. He mistakenly carry the old one. Okay? No wahala. You can see here, KPMG, the Nigeria Tax Act, NTA 2025. Now, one of my subscribers, now he send me the link, okay? What do you go say for this NTA 2025, Now, make the rich pay more taxes. The more you are getting richer, the more they are collecting more taxes. The more you make more money, the more they increase the rate of tax on you. That is, make the rich help the poor. This is not coming from here. No. If you check, they thought say 99.6% of Nigerians earn below this naira, please. 1 million naira per year. SEID 2025 report. 99.6% of Nigerians they earn below 1 million naira a year, according to this report. What is this? This is socio-economic impact and development report. Okay? Again, 98% of Nigerians earn below 800k per year. No wonder they call Nigeria the poverty capital of the world. This is coming from the combination of this data. Okay? Why am I showing you this? The reason why they want the 2% or below 2% that are making more money to bring more taxes so that the poor can be helped. The society can be helped. Okay? I saw one question yesterday. Somebody was asking, what are the taxable income? Okay? The taxable income types, they are salary, your salary, bonuses, anything what you say, then they call them income. The thing come, it come in. No be out. Income. I did like this. I see money from my hand. Where did you get this money? Bonus. Rain is falling. Please bear with me. Where did you get this money? Now profit, now salary. As long as it is an income, you can give a name, it is taxable. Salary, bonuses, allowances, business income, rent received. Winnings, you get house, your tenants pay you rent. Winnings, say you do the 2 odds, or you call it 3 odds, you do your 1x bet. They can pay you 5 million, 2 million, 1 million in the past. Or you got 1 million January, 50k the following month. Salary, you get another business what they do. That one, they collect, say profit of 50-50. At the end of the year, you earn more than 800k. You are not poor, okay? You go pay tax. Everything will come to you from different sources. Different sources where they hit you, whether not small, big. Add all of them together for that year. If it's above 1 million, you must pay. Prizes, they give you awards. Money come follow on, you go pay. Grants, you go pay. Honoraria, say you dey collect honorarium, you go preach. They transfer 50k to you, 1 million, you go pay. Now income. Awards, profit from digital and virtual assets. Say you be content creator, you get NFT, you get book when you write online, you get video when you upload, come bring money. All these are what? Digital assets, okay? Dividends, including distributions from liquidating companies. Say you can't sell your company, so you don't tire. The money when you get from that company, when you sell, you calculate tax put for the income. Interest, including penal interest, forex gains, derivative payments, royalties, capital gains from shares, property, digital asset, etc. All these ones and many other ones, I will not be mentioned for here. As long as the money will come to you, and you pick call an income, money will income your account, come on your hand. They say you go pay tax. Income from trust or estate, say evil will, inheritance, or businesses, all of them. Foreign income for foreign residents. You there abroad, even your foreign income, we fit still tax you there. Percent part of the money called Nigeria go tax you. Professional fees, say somebody, I beg, show me how to, you know now, any professional fees, director's fee, where they charge people, investment income, and many other ones. All these are what? Taxable income. Now, how to calculate your personal income tax? The one we do yesterday, what we do wrongly. This is the correct one, okay? Let's see. This is how to start. According to NTA 2025, it does say apply the tax-free threshold. 1, the first 800k, as you say, you can calculate it throughout the year. For instance, say you don't want to pay monthly, but you want to pay at the end of the year. All the money will come to you. Profit. You can put them for inside one box. Close your eye. Come out 800k. You don't go calculate tax upon that one. You remove the 800k, okay? You can use these tax bands and rates. It means say, if you go back to this box, after you come out the 800k, you know what body you for this 800k? The remaining one, you will come out 2.2 million. It depends on how much the box. This 2.2 million, when you come out, so you go put up for here, 2.2 M. You go apply 50% tax on it. Okay? You go back to the box and see if there is anything that is remaining. What you go do? If you plenty well, bring out 9 million from this box. You bring out another 9 million. 9M. You go apply 80% on the 9 million. You don't finish? You don't finish, oh. Now big man, oh. Now big man, check the boss. How much remain? Okay, we see if he get 13 million from this boss, oh. Wow, this man got money, oh. Okay, apply 21%. Wow, you see get money? The man rich, oh. Okay, check if we get another 25M. They bring out 25M because this man money and water. Apply 23% on it. Wow, you see get? Okay, he get above even 100. I don't tire, my head they disturb me. We don't care again. I don't tire to calculate. They bring out. Anything where remain, whether na 1 billion, 1 trillion, just apply 25% on it. So the more you are making more money, the more you are taxed. The rate is increasing according to your money and water. You get the point now? That is the second process. Step 3, subtract allowed deductions. You may reduce your tax if you have rent relief. What is this? They talk say 20% of your rent. Say for instance, your rent per annum now 1 million. 20% now waiting. 20% now 200k. So from that box, aside the 800, what you come out, still come out 200. You know what? Apply tax on the 200k. Okay, but my own rent now 2 million now. Remove 20%. That is what? 400k. Okay. Come on the 400k from the boss. We don't go apply tax on the 400k. But Oga, my own na 3 million now. Your own na 3 million. It means say 600k now be your 20%. We have a limit to. No disturb us. Now 500k be the limit. So instead of removing 600, come out 500 for him. Oga, my rent na 10 million. Come out 500k. My rent na 50 million. Come out 500k. But if now you get the house, you no be rent. You no get tenancy agreement to show. No evidence of payment. This one, they don't come out and move. They will apply tax on everything aside the 800 that they give you to take care of your life. Okay? So business expenses, if they are wholly and exclusively for making income, say this money what you make, where they inside this box, you bought fuel to make the money. You made some expenses that generated this money. Don't be saying you go drink for club or you go enjoy yourself or you buy clothes or you pay school fees. The money that enabled you, it could be salary. Maybe you are a writer, you write books, you get editor, you get research analyst, you pay the salary, commuter. But you must show evidence. So once you remove all these 800, deductible, and the rest, then we are ready to go now to do the calculation. Let's assume someone is making 20 million per year. Okay? Taxable income, the one where they will apply tax on, remove 800. As I said, this is the balance. Apply tax as follows. First, remove 2.2. As I said, apply 50% on it. This is tax from here. You still get money? Yes. Can we get up to 9 million? The next 9 million, apply 80%. Increase it. It's making money. 50% is small. Increase it. 1.6 million. Okay? You still get money? 8 million is remaining. Remaining from the 19.2 million. Okay? If we go back to the box, remember 2.2, 9, now 800 now be. Okay? I mean this table. 2.29. But what it remain now is not up to 30 million. Oh, for apply 21% on. no wahala. Whatever that is remaining, this must jam am. This one, they go kiss. They must kiss. So 8 million that's remaining. This 21% must kiss it to bring out this one because we need more tasks to run my life. You know, I have a lot of personal assistants, so we need to take care of the roads, pay the soldiers, pay police. You don't say you go still go that place, still need to buy fuel some time for investigation. You got the point now? Let's continue. Total task, what you go pay? This amount, this amount, this amount. Total. If you pay rent, remember this calculation, you believe saying now you get the house. But if you pay rent, when we remove this one, we will still remove the rent 20%. As long as the 20% is not above 500k. You get the point now. Now, we will see examples. These examples, we go believe say now you get the house. Okay? So on your own, if you not say no, you get the house now rent. Come out the rent, no more than 500k, come out 800k. Then you go to this place now. This table, apply the necessary tax rate. So the more you make money, the more this thing catch your neck. You get the point now? Let's start from this first one. Uche earns 200 million per year. I will start from the highest amount in this class so that we'll carry and go down, or like yesterday, to make it easier. Okay? Uche is a real estate tycoon. Henny, 200 million per year. How much will he pay in tax and how much will he keep? Let's start. Remove 800k. We no go tax that one. Now zero tax, you go pay put. We go believe say now Uche get the house, so no need to consider the rent. Okay? Now enter the box of Uche. Where he put this money? For the first 2.2, apply 50%. We commot this tax. Check if we can get 9 million. Of course, apply 80%. This one. Remove 13 million. Apply 21%. This one. Remove 25 million. Apply 23%. You still get now 200 million. Uche na big man, no problem. Money na water. Whatever is remaining, we don't care. You remain 150 million. Apply 25%. That is 37 million. Okay? Now, total tax where Uche go pay now 47 million 930,000 naira. Uche is meant to live with or use this one for himself. If Uche had expenses on this money, suppose come out, they go epa come out. And like this, they calculate. Hope you get it now. Any other one was in here, with this now, you are good to go. Let's just run through the remaining ones, okay? Like this one, BC earns 100 million per year. BC is a top lawyer, any 100 million per year. What will she pay as tax? Let's see. Remove 800, no tax. 2.2, 50%. 9 million, 80%. 13 million, 21%. 25 million, 23%. Remaining 50 million, 25%. See, total, what she go pay? 22 million. And this one, 9, she go enjoy from the 100 million. You get the point now. Rent, you know now, we don't talk about one. So this one is clear. This guy, 20 million. Remove this one, 50%, 80%. Because what is remaining is not much again. You apply the next one. Okay, the next one, which is 21%. At the end of the year, this should be his tax. Okay? This one too, 10 million. Remove this one, 15, whatever that's remaining, because it's not up to, just apply the next rate. So you can see how these two, this is the tax, 1.5 million. Remaining one, 8.4. Now for her. This one, 5 million. Remove 800, 2.250, whatever that's remaining, put the next one. Add together, 690. 90 tax. This one, 90 own. Let's continue. This one, 2 million. Remove 800. What is remaining is 1.2. Okay? Just apply the 50%. 180. This one, 1.5. Remove this one. Whatever is remaining, apply this. That is 105. 1 million. Remove 800. Whatever is remaining, 30k. See? You go keep this one. This one, 800,000. This one, we remove nothing is remaining. So, no tax. So, 99.6%, almost 99% of Nigerians, they don't get 800k for their account. Okay?